Hi, this is Adityan from Mockat. Today, we'll look at Bocconi tests conducted by SDA Bocconi. We have been posting videos on our YouTube channel about various management entrance exams. The link for those videos are given in the description. Do check them out. Why SDA Bocconi? SDA Bocconi Italy is one of the few business schools with Triple Crown accreditation. It's one of the top B schools in Europe. The program in SDA Bocconi Asia Center replicates the practices from SDA Bocconi Italy while considering the interests of Indian students. The final degree in SDA Bocconi Asia Center is awarded directly by SDA Bocconi Italy. SDA Bocconi Asia Center students spend a foreign exchange term in Milan. As far as placements and intake are concerned, the average package offered by SDA Bocconi is 14.3 lakhs per annum with the highest package of 39 lakhs per annum. There were 110 plus companies that participated for placements with 33% new recruiters this year. The total expected intake for the batch of 2024 to 2026 is 330. Bocconi test is an online exam conducted by SDA Bocconi. Round 1 deadline for SDA Bocconi is already over on 22nd November 2023. Round 2 application deadline is on 22nd Jan 2024. Round 3 application deadline closes on 22nd March 2024. Please note that this is subject to seat availability. There are 3 sections and the duration of the exam is 70 minutes. Also note that Bocconi test is an adaptive test with no negative marking. The test is scheduled and process will be sent to the candidates via email. The fees for the exam is included in the application fee. The application fee is 3000 rupees and exam fee is included in the application for the first attempt. For retest, it costs 1500 rupees. The college fee for the program is 19.4 lakhs. The format of the exam is 3 sections with verbal reasoning, numeric reasoning, and inductive reasoning, and each section contains 18 questions. The test is computer adaptive and it features a constantly updated question bank and has no negative markings. Please note that if your other test scores are below the average marks accepted by SDA Bocconi, then it is mandatory for the candidate to attempt the Bocconi test to further qualify for the IMB program. Other exams are also accepted for selection. Other exams like CAT 2022, CAT 2023, NMAT 2022, NMAT 2023, GMAT from Jan 1 2021 and GRE from Jan 1 2021 are also accepted. Students who have not taken any of the above exams are supposed to mandatorily take Bocconi test. Post-exam, your profile is analyzed, consistent academic performance is taken into account, and the test scores, there are no sectional cutoffs. As far as test scores, no specific cutoff restriction, but the expected cutoffs as per public sources is 85 percentile. Extracurricular activities and soft skills is also considered for shortlisting. After shortlisting, a personal interview is conducted where problem solving skills, communication, and overall profile is analyzed. To conclude, SDA Bocconi accepts multiple entrance exams. It includes 4 months exchange term in Milan, Italy. It is an adaptive exam and requires no separate preparation. CAT preparation is sufficient. We'll be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT and personal interview content, B school informations, and much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notification. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.